Hello friends, welcome to my channel Make It Easy Chemistry. I am Dr. Savita Desai presenting in front of you a video of my first lecture of the topic mass spectrometry. This is very interesting and significant topic from organic chemistry included in the syllabus of BSc Part 3 semester number 5 of Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Let me introduce you to this syllabus of this topic. First of all, we shall get a brief introduction of this topic. Then we are going to see the principle of mass spectrometry. Then the schematic diagram of mass spectrophotometer. The different types of ions which are produced in the mass spectroscopy. Fragmentation pattern of certain organic compounds like alkanes, alkenes, aromatic hydrocarbons, alcohols, phenols, amines, and carbonyl compounds. At the last, we are going to discuss in detail the McLafferty rearrangement and certain applications of mass spectrometry. Let me introduce you to the topic. This mass spectrometry is a very powerful analytical technique which is used to identify the unknown compounds and to quantify the known compounds. This is used to elucidate the structure and chemical properties of the molecules. In mass spectroscopy or mass spectrometry, the compound in a gas phase is separated in the form of positive ions according to their mass to charge ratio. As the sample cannot be recovered, this technique is a destructive technique, unlike all other techniques like IR, NMR, UV, spectroscopic techniques. The sample cannot be recovered from this. So mass spectrometry, that is MS, is an analytical technique for the determination of elemental composition of a sample or molecule. It is also used to elucidate the chemical structure of the molecules, such as peptides and other chemical compounds. According to physics or general physics, mass spectrometer is an analytical instrument in which ions produced from a sample are separated by electric or magnetic field according to their ratio of mass to charge. A record is produced which is called mass spectrum. This is giving us the information what kind of or types of ions are produced when the sample in a gaseous phase is exposed to the mass spectrometric technique. So, in this mass spectrometry, ions are produced. What is an ion? Simply, the mass spectrometer is a kind of machine which uses an analytical technique to measure the mass to charge ratio of the ions. So what is this analysis of the ions? An ion is an atom or group of atoms which have lost one or more electrons, making them positively charged. Mass spectrometry has number of applications in variety of fields. For example, biotechnology industry uses mass spectrometry to assay and sequence proteins, oligonucleotides, and polysaccharides. The pharmaceutical industry also uses mass spectrometry in all phases of drug designing. From lead compound to discovery of structural assay, as well as the synthetic development and combinatorial chemistry. Of course, this is useful in the health clinics. Around the world, laboratories which are examining the blood or urine samples use this technique very effectively, as this can indicate certain markers of the disease. So mass spectrometry is applicable in the health clinics as well. Whereas in environmental science, the environmental scientists use this technique for the analysis of air and water quality. Geologists also use this mass spectrometry to test the quality of the petroleum reservoirs. So, in biotechnology industry, pharmaceutical industry, health clinics, as well as environmental science and geologists, all these use the mass spectrometry for some or the other application. It is a very significant technique. The significance of this technique can be marked by 5 Nobel Prizes, which are given to various scientists for their work in the mass spectrometry. For example, J.J. Thomson in physics 1906, F.W. Aston in chemistry in 1922, W. Paul in physics in 1989, and 2 scientists, J.B. Fenn and K. Tanaka, received Nobel Prize in chemistry in 2002. The principle of mass spectrometry is that there is a generation of the ions from either inorganic or organic sample by any suitable method, and separate these ions by their mass to charge ratio, and to detect them qualitatively and quantitatively by their respective mass to charge ratio and the abundance, the proportion in which the ions are produced. The analyte may be ionized thermally or by electric fields or by impacting the energetic electrons, ions or photons. The ions can be singly ionized ions, atoms, clusters, molecules, or their fragments or associates. Ion separation is effected by static or dynamic electric or magnetic field. So the ions can be a single ionized atom, clusters or molecules, or their fragments or associates. Ion separation is effected by static and dynamic electric or magnetic field, as I said just now. What happens in mass spectrometry? In mass spectrometry, electrons are emitted from a hot filament, usually the tungsten or a light bulb. These electrons are accelerated towards an electrode so that their energy is enhanced to up to more than 60 electron volts. The organic substance is bombarded with this beam of electrons, and when the energy of electrons is increased to attain the energy required for the ionization, that is removal of one electron from the atom or molecule, this energy is nothing but the ionization potential of the sample molecule, and this energy usually it is 8 to 15 electron volts. This energy, when it is given to that molecule, some or the other bond, which is a very sensitive bond, from that particular bond pair one electron is given out and there is a formation of the positively charged ion. So this is called ionization of the molecule. These ions, what are the kinds of ions which are produced in mass spectrometry? How these are separated according to their mass to charge ratio? How they are analyzed in the mass spectrum? All these points we are going to study in our further video. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. Make it easy chemistry. Also hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my updates. So thank you from Dr. Savita Desai. Thank you.